Hi,
Hi.
how you doing?
Doing good. Well,
Very little.
uh, that's okay. Come on, guys.
It's a beautiful day except for the wind.
Yeah, you know, we're gonna have soldiers in our family.
Oh, I don't know. You need to be careful with that. That's a heartbreaking thing.
I know, but still, I'm proud of them.
You know, I'm a veteran. I talk to veterans every day,
Okay.
and
Yeah,
just the amount of problems.
yeah. Well,
You
we're
know,
not gonna go there. Not going there.
you know,
Nope. We're not going
22, 22 a day coming. Nobody gives a damn.
Hun.
Uh,
Okay. I understand. You're being a veteran yourself. Yeah. Okay.
I mean, you can be. I'm proud of military service. I'm proud that people serve, but man, the sacrifice for
Yeah.
a government that doesn't really take care of you after you made that sacrifice. It's just
Well, you gotta give them credit. They're not out there breaking the law. They're doing what they think is right. That's what they're doing. They've been blindsided.
yeah, we probably change the subject.
I am. I am. No.
Anyway, did you find that jar for the
I was just. Why are you thinking like I'm thinking?
for the sourdough starter, the Herman,
Stop it.
your new best
Stop
friend?
it. I got the paper in front of me, and I was just gonna ask you.
Your new best friend Herman.
Yeah.
He lives in the refrigerator.
Honey, I'm trying to.
Yeah, there's that jar. I think there's a lid on it. I don't remember.
Where is it? Is what I was just gonna ask you, and you just asked me.
It's on the right hand side
Where? Down
on the floor as you walk in going towards the laundry machine. And it might have got moved over to the other side. It's somewhere in that room.
Oh, there's no lid though.
Well, you might be able to steal a lid from something else.
That's pretty big. Oh man. Come on now. I gotta find a pair of glasses.
You got about 100 pair laying around.
Yeah, I found them.
100 pair of readers.
I found them. Lord, Lord, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful doggies. I'm happy. I'm blessed. Oh, nope, that's not it. It doesn't. I have a big peanut butter lid, but it's a little bit too big.
I think that smaller jar I showed you would be just fine. I don't think you need 8 gallons. I don't remember Mom having that much, like a gallon. I don't remember that. But I mean, I'm not the cook, but I just don't remember it being that like a gallon or anything like that.
The yield is 4 cups.
Okay,
So,
now you're taking me back to grade school. How many cups are in a gallon? Are you talking quarts or cups?
4 cups. It says yield. 4 cups.
Okay, that's a quart. I'm pretty sure that's a quart. I don't remember how many cups are in a quart, but
Okay, Okay, Google. How many cups to a quart?
1 quart is equivalent to 4 cups.
Yeah. 1 quart is 4 cups.
Okay, I thought so.
So. Okay. I was going to use a little bit of sarcasm here, but I'll be nice. Just gotta make sure I got everything. So we gotta get yeast, 2 teaspoons, water, flour, white sugar, and milk. Okay, got it. I gotta wash this stinky thing out.
Do we even have regular sugar, white sugar? I don't know.
Yeah.
We do. Okay.
It's not.
I wouldn't even know where to find white sugar. We haven't used it in so long.
Buddy, it's up on top of the refrigerator, on top of the microwave, in that container. And you close this container, and I can't get the damn thing open. I can't open it.
That's how I keep my job. You know, I'm just you keep me around to open jars. That's
Hang on.
that's job security for a man.
Yeah. Oh, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, baby. I probably should go.
Oh no! It's already time for you to go back. Okay. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
Bye.
Bye.